Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing a stable canvas. Bake flat 6x9 layers and level them so your design sits true. Once done, stack with thin filling and apply a 1/4 crumb coat to lock crumbs. Make a printed 16:9 mockup and transfer a grid onto parchment to scale the web layout. This helps you place headers, buttons, and image blocks. Make sure to have edible inks, gel colors, and an offset spatula ready so you can move directly into detailing without reworking the cake. You now build the interface. Roll fondant to 2-3 mm and cover the cake, smoothing from center outward to avoid air pockets. Once the surface is sealed, block in large color areas with edible paints and gel mixed to stable consistency. Stencils keep buttons and cards identical. After color blocking, add structure. Pipe borders and shadows with royal icing for depth, and use edible markers for tiny icons and microcopy. Make sure to step back frequently to check alignment against the mockup, so elements stay proportional. You finish by layering 3D details. Attach fondant buttons, add wafer paper screenshots, and paint subtle drop shadows to sell depth. Once detailed, seal any edible prints with a light clear glaze and chill briefly so paints and glue set. If something goes wrong, act quickly. For small smudges, use a tiny damp brush to lift color, then re-smooth with warm palm pressure. For larger fondant issues, carefully cut out the panel and replace it using your parchment mockup for exact sizing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.